Today's video going to be replacing the throttle position sensor on this Yukon, because while driving it started running real rough and it says engine power is reduced. So we got the check engine light, and when you pull that up, you're getting codes for the throttle actuator and then the command versus actual throttle position correlation, meaning it doesn't know exactly where it's at. So we're going to go ahead and replace it. Go ahead and take off the intake. Fire out this tube. Pull on this lock tab, press down, pull out. 10 millimeters. And we can pull off our throttle body. Get our new one. Since we're in here, we'll go ahead and clean the throttle body. Now we can clean the sealing surface. Go ahead and plug it back in. Now with everything back together, we'll go ahead and clear our codes. And we'll do a manual relearn from what I saw online. We're going to run it for 3 minutes, turn it off for 60 seconds, and then run it for another 3. Off the bat, no more hesitation, no more sputtering, no light saying engine power reduced. Going to go ahead and run it for a few minutes, then we'll go for a drive. Cruising around for about 5 minutes. No check engine light. We're good to go. And that's how you replace the TPS sensors on these Yukons. Hopefully the video helps y'all. You have a good one.